Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The North Goa Principal District and Sessions Court has concluded hearing arguments over the petition challenging the order of the Directorate of Panchayat upholding the order of video directing Village Panchayat of Chimbel to grant construction license to GTDC for the construction of Unity Mall at Chimbel. The main contentions of the petitioner are that the video does not have the jurisdiction to entertain the application filed by GTDC and directing the Village Panchayat of Chimbel to grant construction license because this jurisdiction is with the Directorate of Panchayat. Another main contention of the petitioner was that TCP department, while granting the technical clearance, had directed the Village Panchayat of Chimbel to ensure that there is adequate provision of water management and garbage management. But Chimbel is facing huge problem of garbage management and water supply. But without ensuring the water and garbage management, the Village Panchayat has issued the construction license, which is contrary to the directives of TCP department. On the other side, GTDC has contended that they have obtained all the permissions and then huge amount of public money is invested in this project and it is being unnecessarily opposed to delay the project. The council representing GTDC also contended that video has rightly entertained the application and video has the jurisdiction. After hearing all the parties, the court has reserved the order for 14th January.
प्रिन्सिपल सेशन कोर्ट जे जज आसा तेजे कडेन युनिटी मॉलाच्या बाबतींत जो मॅटर आसा की जे पंचायतीन एका लायसन दिलें कोणाक GTDC ते युनिटी मॉला खातीर कंस्ट्रक्शन लायसन दिलें. अपील कित्याचेर केल्लो की हेका लागून व्हिडियो म्हणा तो पंचायत म्हणा जे कितें ऑर्डर पास केल्ली ती चॅलेंज करपा खातीर आमी हांगासर हें केल्ली स्टे मागिल्ली. जाल्यार स्टे आसतना सुद्दां हांगासर तेंच्यांनी कंस्ट्रक्शन सुरू केलें. जे कितें तेंच्यांनी ऑर्डर पास केल्ली आसा व्हिडियो आनी डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायत हांच्यांनी रिक्वेस्ट करची. आतां तें फुडलें जें हियरींग आसा ऑर्डर जी आसा हेची ती 14 तारीख जातली, 14 जानेवारी.
Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.